In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet within Google Classroom. To start, let's head over to Google Meet. You can easily do this by typing meet.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice the trademark Google homepage, but that's not where we're stopping for today. Instead, let's direct our attention to something often referred to as the waffle icon. It's located in the upper right corner, symbolized by a grid of 9 small dots. Go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking the waffle icon, a menu will appear, showcasing a myriad of Google apps that are seamlessly connected for your convenience. Scroll through these options until you find Google Classroom. Then give that icon a click. You'll be taken directly to your Google Classroom dashboard, where you can manage all your teaching activities and interactions with students. Now that we're in Google Classroom, look for the Teaching tab. It's the hub of all teaching functionalities in Classroom, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking this will bring you to a comprehensive list of all the classes you're currently handling. This list ensures you have easy navigation access to all your educational needs. Choose the class you want to integrate with Google Meet from the list you see on your screen. After selecting your class, it's time to focus on the crucial Classwork tab. The Classwork tab is your organizational front line, where all assignments and resources are structured. Click on Classwork, and from here you can manage various classroom resources. Now let's head straight to Settings by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right. This section is fundamental for configuring all kinds of settings related to your classroom's teaching environment. It's here that you can customize various features to tailor the classroom experience to your needs and preferences. While still in Settings, direct your attention to Manage Meet Link. Clicking on this option will allow you to generate a unique Google Meet link that will be exclusive to your class. This link is essential for initiating virtual meetings, providing a secure and straightforward way for students to join meetings associated with your classroom. To recap, accessing Google Meet through your classroom setup involves a series of straightforward clicks that ensure an integrated teaching environment. Everything from accessing Google Meet through the waffle icon to generating a Meet link is designed to facilitate a seamless blend between online meetings and classroom instruction. With these steps mastered, you're well on your way to creating an enriched and connected teaching experience, so whether you're planning virtual lessons or need to hold an impromptu online meeting, you now have the tools right at your fingertips.